Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to make the dessert from the purple sweet potato. It's the steam cake. This one is popular in Thailand and also China. These cakes are soft, dense and spongy in texture. Delicious, quick and very easy to make it. Let's get started. First, we need to cut the purple sweet potato into the small pieces and then bring the water to a boil and steam the purple sweet potato for about 15 to 20 minutes or until it's cooked. And then mash into a paste and set aside. And then we need to put in the food processor to make it more smooth and homogeneous. But we put the purple sweet potato that we already mashed in a bit. Add the sugar and also the coconut milk. This process you can skip it or use only forks to press it if you want a little piece of the potato. But for me, I prefer it smooth and homogeneous, and after we eat it's so soft. And also add the vegetable oil. For the ingredients, I will put in the description box below. Add a bit of salt and then put in the food processor to make it homogeneous. Then put the potato mixture into the big bowl. Some of vanilla, and then we need to mix it well. And then we need to sift the cake flour with the baking powder. And mix everything together. And stir well until it gets a smooth batter. And then we using an ice cream scoop for put our batter into our cup. You can put on not full but only 3/4 part of the cup. And continue until it finishes. For this recipe, I can put in the cup for about 6 to 8 cups. And press the steaming cup into the preparing steamer and steam over high heat for 15 to 20 minutes. It's finished. The texture of the cake is definitely more soft. I hope you give this try for this recipe. It's delicious cake without oven. You can cook with the steam. And this one, as I told you, is famous in Thailand and also in China. They put this in the dessert of the Chinese New Year too.